Welcome to Chapter 3, The Cell Theory and Cell Structure. In this chapter, we will learn about the discovery of cells, the cell theory, and the structures and functions of the different parts of a cell. Visuals, early microscopes. The discovery of cells dates back to the 1600s, when scientists first began using microscopes to examine the structure of living organisms. Over time, they came to realize that all living things are made up of tiny units called cells. This realization led to the development of the cell theory, which states that all living things are composed of cells. Cells are the basic unit of life, and all cells come from existing cells. Visuals, plant and animal cells. There are two main types of cells, plant cells and animal cells. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall made of cellulose, while animal cells do not. Both types of cells have similar structures, including a plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus. Visuals, plasma membrane. The plasma membrane, also known as the cell membrane, is a thin barrier that surrounds the cell and separates its contents from the outside environment. It controls what enters and leaves the cell and is made up of a lipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Visuals, cytoplasm and organelles. The cytoplasm is the gel-like substance inside the cell that contains all the organelles, including the mitochondria, ribosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum. These organelles perform specific functions, such as energy production, protein synthesis, and lipid metabolism. Visuals, nucleus. The nucleus is the largest organelle in the cell and is often referred to as the control center of the cell. It contains the genetic material, or DNA, in the form of chromosomes and is responsible for controlling cell division and the expression of genes. In this chapter, we have introduced the cell theory and the basic structure of a cell. In future lessons, we will delve deeper into the functions of the different parts of a cell and how they work together to keep the cell alive and functioning.